Welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into polished app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The polished AI photo editor is an easy way to use or offer a versatile editing tools and doesn't have too many annoying ads. Many users say it's great for creative photos or video projects, but it is not perfect. Premium editing features are gated behind a subscription, and there are reports of occasional crashes and confusing in-app purchases. So in my opinion, if you are serious about mobile photo editing and you don't mind paying, it's worth trying. But for light or occasional use, more stable free editor might do the trick way more better. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button, subscribe for more video, and that's it.